Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. I've got a pretty cool short video for you today. We're going to be installing a 24 volt 2.5 amp battery tender. And because it's a short video, I got a couple of things that I really need to tell you. Stay tuned. All right guys, here it is. Battery tender, I will leave a link in the description. As you can see, it's 24 volt, 2.5 amp. Figure on paying probably just a little over $100 for these. These aren't terribly easy to find. I don't know if they just quit making them or what the deal is, but I had to go on eBay to find this. All right, I have left a really convenient, nice little space right here. And I think mounting it right here is going to be just perfect for it. I'm just using zip ties to zip tie these lines into place, and out the back side is where the plug-in is going to go. And then I'll figure out something with some Velcro to help hold this up when it's not in use. There's one thing I really need to say, and it's very neglectful on my part. On this channel, I try very hard to tell people who inspired this, and Sean Filner of Fastidious Restomods inspired this build. Now, we have different styles. So his style complements mine, my style complements his. Our channels kind of go together like this because his is more of a vlog. It's a lot of time-lapse video to show what he's doing, but it really doesn't go into the details like mine does. So mine complements his complements mine. And it's just not right for a YouTuber like myself to not give credit where credit is due. And that's why I want to say that the last three videos have all been inspired by his videos, and I want to recognize him for that. I like to give credit to people because I care more about the community than I do about myself. And speaking of styles and videos, as for me, I like to have fun. And if I'm not having fun, I'm not going to do this anymore. I know that there's folks that are just coming on now that are putting out a few more how-to videos, and that's their style. They may be a little bit drier and a little bit, hey, to the point, and some people really like that to the point. Overall, it's been just a awesome experience for me, and I'm having fun doing it, so I'm gonna keep doing it until I stop having consistent fun. I hope that day never comes, because I'm just having a lot of fun doing this. All right, back to the build. Hey, if you didn't watch the last two videos, you might not know where the 24 volt side is. So get yourself a multimeter and find where the 24 volt system is. Easily enough, it's usually right here in the back corner. Okay, that's where your 24 volt system comes in from the truck. Now that I've got the power cord zip tied in, I'm just going to use some side cutter pliers, or rather these are shears, and nip off as close to the ends as I possibly can so that I don't leave any sharp edges. If you don't have side cutters, I would suggest investing in some because they keep the cuts really close. Usually you can get them in an electronics kit, which is where I got mine. So the battery tender comes with this end piece, okay? And what you'll need to do is carefully pull it apart far enough where you can put the positive on the positive side and the ground on the ground side. So that's what I've done, pulled it apart. Now to mount it up. Thankfully, there's some open posts in here that I can just put it right to a post. This positive side does have a fuse in it. That's nice. I've also tidied up some of these wires because, you know, not only does it need to be functional, but I was also reminded recently that it also needs to look good. Wait a minute, not good. I think the word was cool. Time to make some magic happen. Aha! And there we go. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I really so much appreciate you clicking on this video. Please leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. All right, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there and God bless. Full disclosure, I might need to modify this battery box top. The little indentions at the top are interfering with the new position of the batteries. So I might need to modify that box top.